Understanding a pleading tone in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, a pleading tone. Understanding such phrases can really enhance your English language skills, especially in understanding the subtleties of communication. Let's dive in. A pleading tone refers to the way someone speaks when they are earnestly or desperately asking for something. It's not just about the words used, but how they are said. This tone often conveys a sense of urgency, need, or desperation. To better understand, let's look at some examples. Please, can't you give me another chance? Here, the tone reflects a strong desire or desperation for another opportunity. I'm begging you, don't go. This showcases a high level of urgency and emotional plea. In everyday English, a pleading tone can be used in various situations. When asking for help or a favor. In emotional conversations where you're trying to persuade someone. Using a pleading tone can significantly impact the listener. It can evoke empathy or a desire to help. Sometimes, it can also make the speaker seem desperate or weak, depending on the context. Understanding the concept of a pleading tone helps in both interpreting others' emotions and effectively expressing your own. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting aspect of English communication. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.